Hello everyone, welcome to today's vlog where we will be discussing the topic why making art is more difficult than what we think. Art is a form of self-expression, creativity and imagination that allows individuals to convey their thoughts, emotions and ideas through various mediums such as painting, music, literature and sculpture. However, creating art is not always as easy as it seems. Let's delve into reasons why. The first reason why creating art is difficult is because it is subjective. What one person might consider beautiful, another person might find unappealing. This subjectivity creates a sense of uncertainty and insecurity in artists, as they are never sure how others will receive their art. Artists are constantly grappling with the challenge of creating something that are not only reflect their innermost thoughts and feelings but also resonate with their audience. In addition, the subjectivity of art can make it difficult for artists to receive feedback and constructive criticism. Since everyone's tastes and preferences are different, it can be hard for artists to know which feedback to take to heart and which to discard. This can lead to frustration and confusion, as artists may feel like they are constantly trying to please everyone while staying true to themselves. Another reason why creating art is difficult is because of the pressure to be original. In today's world, where everything seems to have been done before, artists are expected to come up with something new, unique, and innovative. However, this pressure to be original can often lead to creative blocks and feeling of inadequacy. Moreover, artists often have to strike a delicate balance between being original and staying within certain artistic boundaries or genres. For example, a musician may want to experiment with a new sound but risk alienating their existing fan base. This can be a difficult decision to make, as it involves weighing the desire to innovate with the needs to maintain a successful career. Technical skills. Creating art also requires technical skill, which takes time and effort to develop. Learning how to use various tools, material, and techniques can be challenging and overwhelming for many artists. Without proper technical skills, artists may struggle to bring their visions to life, leading to frustration and disappointment. Moreover, technical skill is not something that can be learned overnight. It takes years of practice and dedication to master various artistic techniques. This can be particularly daunting for emerging artists who may feel like they have a long way to go before they can create art that they are truly proud of. Creating art is an emotional process that can take a toll on the artist's mental health. The pressure to produce something great, the fear of failure, and the vulnerability of putting oneself out there can all lead to a feeling of anxiety and self-doubt. In addition, many artists also face rejection and criticism, which can be difficult to handle and can take a toll on their self-esteem. Furthermore, creating art often requires artists to tap into their deepest emotion and vulnerabilities. This can be difficult and painful process as artists may have to confront their own inner demons and traumas in order to create something truly meaningful. This emotional toll can be particularly challenging for artists who struggle with mental health issues or who have experienced trauma in their lives. In conclusion, creating art is a difficult and complex process that requires a combination of creativity, technical skill, and emotional fortitude. It is important to remember that art is subjective and what matters most is the artist's personal journey of self expression and growth. As artists, we must learn to embrace the challenges and uncertainties of the creative process and use them as opportunities for growth and learning. Moreover, creating art is not just about the final product, but also about the journey of self-discovery and self-expression. Art allows individuals to explore their innermost thoughts and emotions and to communicate them in a way that is unique and personal. It is a powerful tool for self-reflection and growth and can bring joy and meaning to both the artist and the audience. Despite the challenges that come with creating art, it is a worthwhile pursuit that can enrich our lives in countless ways. So, if you are an aspiring artist, don't be discouraged by the difficulties that come with the creative process. Embrace them, learn from them, and keep creating. Thank you so much for watching today's vlog. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel, which helps me grow as an artist. And see you there in the next vlog. Until then, take care. Bye bye.